Hey, Katrina here from Scrappy Horses. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's time for a 5-minute how-to video. And today, I'm going to talk about how to use the slice function in Cricut Design Space. Let's get started. To save some time, I've already imported my paper and I already have a square or a rectangle up to duplicate my card base and my first layer. I'm going to go ahead and come into upload, and here is my paper that I have uploaded prior to the video. Instead of uploading into pattern fill, which I could have, I find it much easier to upload my piece of paper as an image. So now all I need to do is left click, which selects it, and add to canvas. Next, I'm going to go ahead and bring my card front over and just line it up right underneath. Now you can see, I'm going to bump this up a little bit. You can see this line right here. You can see exactly where the card front is. So you can decide how much of our snowman we want on this card front. I personally like it about right there, but I think I might like it a little smaller. So I'm going to select, come down to a corner, and just make him a little smaller. I'm going to go ahead and select that card piece here as well as my pattern paper. So I'm going to run my mouse over both. Come up to align, left click align. I'm going to align towards the right, this side. So align right. Now I want to align here at the bottom. You can see how the card is sticking out down here. Align bottom. They are both still chosen. So now all I need to do is left click slice down here at the bottom of your right side. And all we need to do is pull it over, and there's your card front. It's done. I know that in the past, way back in the beginning, I was using the print and cut, edit, and trying to get it to the right size, and it was always a little time consuming. So this is a really quick way to do this. Let's look at one more thing you can do that's really fun. You can come into images, and let's say you want to pull up a stamp. I just type in stamp. Let's pull this one right here. I'm going to make this go away. Going to come over to rotate. I'm going to rotate my stamp 90. I want my stamp, my little postage stamp, to be about this size on my card. Okay, so I'm going to bring this in. And again, I can see how big that is. I'm going to come to this piece now and make it smaller so that that fits within there. I'm going to bring it to the front. Now I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on that rectangle. I can see exactly where that fits now. But you know what? I want my ornaments to fit more over this way. So all you need to do is just sort of manipulate this piece of paper, come back over, click your rectangle, and you can see exactly where it is. So let's bring it down a little bit. So now I can see exactly where it's going to be. Select them and slice. And there it is. So there are all kinds of fun things you can do with this slice function. If you would like a video on how to use the print and cut and edit your print and cut, I'm more than happy to do that. If you're unfamiliar with that technique, just let me know in the comments below. Any comments or questions, let me know in the comments below. I will catch up with you in the next video. Have a great week. Bye.